below the define use depth buffer 0, we're gonna create it. Double total rendering time. And there you go. Okay, we have compiled the file and it says CG image get height reference from GL texture image initialized with image. What this basically is saying is that we require a framework, and here beside we have frameworks. We have Quartz Core, OpenGL EX, UIKit.framework, and Foundation.framework. This is necessary because these are where we're going to call all of our functions that we have been calling. In this case, we're going to add the framework of CG graphics. So I'm going to press Control, click, add existing frameworks, and existing frameworks we're going to expand the folder, and we are going to look for core graphics that framework, which is here, and we're going to click add. We're going to click add again, and it will add it to our frameworks library, if you can say it in that particular way. And then we're going to again build the application, and it successfully compiled with no errors or warning signs. So in this case, we have successfully completed a great percent of the application. We have sent the application, we have tested it out, at least we built it, and no errors have been detected. Now we need to call and create, or in other words, just simply draw to the screen. However, the way we're going to do that is going to be in the following way. We're going to go and call an image right now. I'm going to say comment draw an image. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to do it in the following way. Above, we had declared the array for the image 3 frames. In this case, we're going to go the following way. We're going to say 3 0, where we have allocated the image that we want to draw, and we want to draw at point, which is we're going to call CG point make, and in here we're gonna go 160 and 240 f. As we know, half of the dimensions of the iPhone and landscape mode, for example, we have 360 and width, and height we have 480. So we have those. Half of 360 is 160, and half of 480 is 240. In this case, we could actually compile and run this application and see if we don't get any errors, even though it is successfully compiled or built. We're going to build it and we're going to let it go. Let's see if our small application that could display an image could actually do it, or will it cause a runtime error. So we go build and go, I'm gonna save our changes, and there you go. In the middle of the screen, we have successfully displayed the image that we have first of all allocated the image. We have declared, we stored the image into memory, we have retrieved it, and we release the memory in the deallocation function at the end of our small program. I hope that this quick tutorial or blog video was of any use. Thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope that I would post another video, post other videos that would explain furthermore the OpenGL EX game programming. And next time we're going to animate the sprite textures. Then we're gonna go with side-scrolling animation, in which is gonna get a little bit complicated, but it's not too complicated that we'll not be able to understand. So thank you very much for watching this blog video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.